Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BIOC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Friday, so that is where these green line annotations are coming from. And really the main dynamic here is just trying to figure out what exactly is going on with this. You can't quite call this a pump and dump right now. It's definitely been a very nasty move downwards, but you got to keep things fair. And from the big picture, the price does still have the ability to show some signs of progress, which would not make it a pump and dump. But this is what, in my opinion, makes the 40-cent mark a must-hold level going forward. And I'm not saying this will occur, but why is 40 cents so important? Well, if the price were to come down to 40 cents and then just continue on down, what would you have at that point? Well, from a very literal perspective, you would essentially have the price right back inside of this range of the chart where it was before this monster move happened. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power. And in this situation, would put this at pump and dump status, meaning the price made a great move up, and then all of a sudden, within the time span of a few days, has gone right back to essentially where it started. Again, I'm not saying that'll occur, and as of right now, that's why I'm not calling it a pump and dump, because to be fair, something like this might happen, where the price comes down to 40, behaves in that manner, and then begins to work its way back upwards. And what would you have in this scenario? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there, you'd have lows right there, you'd have those lows down there, and if you envision each of those as stair steps, well, from that point, you'd now all of a sudden have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined right there at 40 cents. So in my opinion, that is definitely a very, very important level to watch going forward, because it's quite literally telling us whether or not the price is showing signs of progress or if the price is now drifting right back to where it all began. So the week is young, still 4 days left. Let's see if the price can stay above that area or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.